There's a big problem on YouTube, and its ugly, devastating name is monetization. There's a lot of people facing this problem, okay? Their channels have been demonetized or never have been monetized, and they've reached the allotted 4,000 watch hours and the allotted subscriber amount, which is 1,000, okay? Do you want to know how I know it's a huge problem? But make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to show you how to solve this problem, not like everybody else. There's a million videos you can look at to see about monetization, but this is the one video that you need to see to the end to see how to get instant YouTube monetization. That's right, I said it, instant YouTube monetization. That means by the time you're done watching this video, you'll know exactly how to open up another browser and go and monetize your YouTube channel instantly. So take notes because I'm going to reveal everything. All right, so how big of a problem is this? Well, let's see. Google and YouTube are the biggest search engines. If we come over here to Google, you see I type in YouTube monetization and I just press a space. There's a million keyword searches for people wanting to know what's the problem with monetization, how to monetize, what are the rates, like how much you make with monetization. Monetization is a big issue and a big concern and need on YouTube for anybody creating a YouTube channel. That's why you're here. That's why you're searching that out. Okay, now let's come over to YouTube. How big is the problem on YouTube search? Okay, so as you can see, I only searched the word monetize. I didn't even search monetize YouTube. But the first videos that come up are all about how to monetize your videos, your YouTube videos. Do you know you can monetize anything? You can monetize a car. You can monetize your car lot. You can monetize a house. If you want to sell houses, you can monetize your website. You can monetize anything internet marketing wise. There's a million things you can monetize. But we know that is a big problem because we type in monetize and immediately videos about how to monetize your YouTube channels pop up. So that lets us know that monetizing YouTube channels is the biggest concern of people on YouTube, obviously, if you're building a YouTube channel. So today we're going to talk about, now that we know the importance of building a YouTube channel and you can monetize it, we're going to teach you how to instantly monetize your YouTube channel. So make sure you watch this to the end. All right. So what are some ways you can monetize your YouTube channel? So there's two ways that we really teach, but we're going to go over three right now. All right. So first of all, you need to get eyeballs on your videos. You need to get views to your videos. So you need to know what's trending. You need to know what people are talking about. Hopefully you're in a niche that's popular. But in the training, in our viral YouTube training, you can find at the link in the description or in the comment section, we teach you how to perfectly pick the niche. We have three elements: timing, audience, and uniqueness. So it has to have an audience. You have to follow, it has to have some type of trend that is going up, and you have to go at it at a unique perspective, okay? So that you can stand out so people can always choose you, okay? So monetizing your YouTube channel will be simple, more simple than if you were anybody else that didn't come across this video. So step number one, you can monetize your YouTube channel with Adsense. So if you're not signed up to the Google Adsense network with your channel connected, then you need to do that. If you need to watch a tutorial for that, open up another browser. It only takes 2 minutes to do. Don't think it takes a long time. So you can just sign up to that. But you're not going to get monetized on your channel until you reach the required 4,000 watch hour time and the 1,000 subscribers. So that's why you need the viral YouTube training in the description, because we teach you how you can get a channel that's already past all of that. And we teach you, if you don't want to get that channel, we teach you how to take the channel that you currently have right now and within a few videos be monetized. That means this, by the end of this week, or maybe 2 weeks at the most, you could be monetized. So imagine that. Now, if you know how to go viral, which we also teach inside training, then you're going to be getting that step number one, which is the YouTube AdSense. You're going to be getting paid when people view your videos almost instantly, okay? So remember, we're talking about fast ways to monetize your channel, not ways down the line. You want to instantly monetize your channel. So number one is AdSense. Number two is CPA offers. So what is a CPA offer? So you can just literally come into Google and type in CPA marketing. What is CPA marketing? CPA marketing, also known as cost per action marketing, is a style of the affiliate marketing model that offers a commission to the affiliate when a specific action is completed. The lead action can be anything from making a purchase to getting a quote, watching a video, or filling out a form. See? So with CPA marketing, you don't even have to make a sale. You can get somebody to fill out a form. They can go to the link in your description and just fill out a form, download an app, or install a software or whatever, and you're making money. So think of the dollar signs. You should be seeing dollar signs in your mind. Think of how to go viral, which we teach you how to do, and how many people will be seeing your videos and how you can get paid off of those viewers. How you get paid if they go to the link in the description and just fill out a simple form. They don't even have to buy anything. The company will do all of that stuff. You're just bringing the people to them with your videos. So this is how you can, this is step two for how to instantly monetize your YouTube channel. It's very simple. CPA marketing, there. You don't even have to think about selling anything, okay? Now, step number three is affiliate marketing / merch, okay? So step number three is where you can actually sell things. So if you have a real targeted niche, a real focused industry that you're going after where you have products or services that are extremely valuable, or as like a cult following, for example, we'll use breast cancer survivors and stuff. It's a whole list of different medicines or drinks or natural remedies or shirts, pink bracelets, and all of those things like that that you can sell in the description of your videos immediately. If you can go viral in that niche today, that's such a cult following. They're so passionate about that. And you don't have to, this is just an example. Find something that people are passionate about, like music. People are passionate about art. They're passionate about martial arts, fighting and everything like that. Things that people fight over. Political type of videos and everything like that. Presidential candidate, all of that. Those type of things. If you can match up offers or merch or anything like that, it's these guys that made a crap load of money off of Obama and McCain when they were running for office, and they created Obama O's and Captain McCain's cereal, literally cereal, and they call themselves serial entrepreneurs. How awesome is that? That wasn't even their goal. Like, they had another business they were building, but they used that trend. Remember, timing, audience, and uniqueness, and they had all of those elements, and look what happened. They made, I think, millions of dollars off of those cereals before they were discontinued and everything like that, okay? So my point is, you can put up videos today, instantly monetize them if you have a movement behind them. If you do the steps that we teach you inside the YouTube viral training in the description, then you're good, okay? You don't have to wait those 4,000 hours watch time. Okay, I know how you guys feel discouraged and everything like that. You're like, man, why did YouTube change up everything? Because yeah, you used to be able to just instantly monetize your channel and stuff with YouTube before all of this. Okay, but now it's okay. You can monetize with AdSense, because we can still teach you how to get a channel that's already monetized today, or how to monetize your own channel with just maybe a week of hard work in videos. You'll go viral, right? Okay, and you'll get the watch hours and the subscribers, right? Now, other than that, you are taught the CPA marketing. You're taught the affiliate, the merch, all of those things. So you can instantly monetize your YouTube channel. So all of these things are taught. Yo, hopefully, Lord willing, I brought you guys a lot of value today. I just wanted you to know that you don't have to be stuck like the millions of people that are out here searching how to monetize their YouTube channel. You know, it's millions. This one channel, this one video right here has 723,000 views since 9 months ago. Take a look at all of these. Everybody wants to know how to monetize their YouTube channel, and I just gave you 3 ways to instantly monetize. So go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I have more unique, awesome ways to instantly monetize your guys' videos and start making money off of your content. You're not making it for no reason. All right. You want to get paid off of it, and you don't want to have to wait 4,000 watch hours or 1,000 subscribers. Okay. So we'll get you there, but you also need to start making money as soon as you start uploading your videos. And we teach you that in the description below. Go ahead and take action on that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love ya.